Hello students, welcome back to my channel Maths World. Today we are going to continue with the topic HCF and LCM. In that topic we are going to learn LCM, that is least common multiple. Before starting with examples and how to solve the problems of LCM, let us recall some divisibility test that we are going to use in this topic. So first divisibility test is going to be a divisibility test of 2. क्या है divisibility test of 2? If given numbers के unit place पे given number के unit place पे अगर 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 अगर ये digits है then given number is divisible by 2. 3 का डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट है. सपोज गिवन नंबर है 4, 1, 2, 412 और लेट अस कंसिडर 4122. ये गिवन नंबर है. ये गिवन नंबर में डिजिट्स क्या क्या है? 4, 1, 2 एंड 2. So if addition of all these digits is divisible by 3, then given number is divisible by 3. So let us make the addition of all these digits. 4 plus 1 5 plus 2 7 plus 2 is 9. Since 9 is divisible by 3, then given number is divisible by 3. यहाँ पे 9 डिविजिबल है, सो द गिवन नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 3. नेक्स्ट है डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट ऑफ 5. सो इन दैट टेस्ट अगर गिवन नंबर के यूनिट प्लेस पे 0 एंड 5 अगर ये डिजिट्स है देन गिवन नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 5. एंड दिस 3 टेस्ट वी हैव टू अप्लाई इन द एग्जाम्पल. 16, 28 and 14. Second example is 16, 28 and 14. Now let us make the arrangement. Now in that case, first step is same. We have to take a smallest prime number which is going to divide all the given 3 numbers. Now remember one thing, if वहाँ पे एक ऐसा नंबर है जो all 3 numbers को divide नहीं करता but any 2 numbers को divide करता है, so in that case only we can consider that number. मतलब we can take a number which is going to divide at least 2 numbers. We can take a number which is going to divide at least 2 number. मतलब यहाँ पे कोई ऐसे 2 numbers है जो सेम नंबर से डिवाइड हो रहा है, सो वो यहाँ पे लेना है. एंड जो थर्ड रिमेनिंग होगा वी हैव टू कीप इट एज इट इज. ओके, बट यहाँ पे ऑल 3 numbers कैन बी डिवाइड बाय 2, सो लेट अस डिवाइड इट. 2 8 जा 16, यहाँ पे मिलेगा 40 एंड यहाँ पे मिलेगा 20. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप 8, 14 and 20. Here also all the 3 numbers can be divided by 2. So let us divide. 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, 2 10s are 20. Now next 4, 7 and 10. Here 4 and 10 can be divided by 2 but not 7. So what we will do? At least 2 numbers can be divided by 2. So here we have to divide by 2. What is the condition? At least 2 numbers should be divided by the prime number. So यहाँ पे 4 and 10 is divided by 2. So they can divide. And जो last जो remaining number होगा it will be as it is. So 7 will be as it is. 4 को 2 से डिवाइड किया तो आंसर मिलेगा 2 एंड यहाँ पे 10 को डिवाइड किया तो 5. नाउ एज यू कैन ऑब्जर्व all the three numbers cannot divide by the same number, and also we get that all the three numbers are prime. So then we have to stop. Next LCM क्या मिला मुझे? So to find out the LCM, what we have to do? We have to multiply all these numbers. What we have to do? We have to multiply all these numbers. So LCM is equals to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 7 multiply by 5, which is give me the answer 560. That is the LCM of 16, 28 and 40. Let us take another example. 18 and 30. Let us make arrangement 18 and 30. So यहाँ पे both the numbers can be divided by 2. So let us divide. 2 9s are 18 and यहाँ पे we get 15. Now 9 and 15 can be divided by 3. So here we get 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Now next 3 and 5 cannot divide by the same number. So we have to stop the process. So the LCM will be multiplication of all these numbers. So the LCM is equals to 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 5, which is equals to, here we get 6, here we get 15, which is equals to 90. So the LCM of 18 and 30 is equals to 90. Next we have to learn one property. So for that we will take same example that we have solved already, 18 and 30. So 18 and 30, so for that we have to find the HCF and LCM of the given numbers. So let us start. Divide by 2. Here we get 9, here we get 15. Both the numbers can be divided by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Now since remaining two numbers cannot divide by the same number, so we have to stop the process. So here we get the HCF. What will be the HCF? Multiplication of these two numbers, that is 2 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 6. Next the LCM will be equals to multiplication of all these numbers. So here 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, which is equals to 540. Sorry, which is equals to 90. The multiplication will be 90, that is the LCM will be 90. Now what we will do? We will multiply HCF and LCM, that is 6 multiplied by 90, which is equals to 540. Let us make it equation number 1. Now next what we will do? We will find product of given numbers, and the given numbers are 18 and 30, which is again equals to 540. Let us write here equation number 2. So now from 1 and 2, what can you observe? Product of given number is equals to its LCM and HCF. That is from 1 and 2 we get that product of given numbers is equals to its HCF into LCM, and that is the property, and this property we have to use in the practice set 13. Let us start with the practice set 13. question number 1, find the LCM. In that we have first question 12 and 15. Okay, so let us do. You can do it by the any method. The method, now we will solve the method that we have learned. 12 and 15. Now 12 and 15 can be divided by 3. So here we get 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Now since 4 and 5 cannot divide by same number, so we have to stop the process. So the LCM will be multiplication of all these numbers. So we get 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5, that is here we get 60. Hence LCM of 12 and 15 is 60. Always it is better to write the final answer. Second example, 6, 8 and 10. Let us start. 6, 8 and 10. Here we have the arrangement. Now all these numbers can be divided by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Again, all these three numbers cannot divide by the same number. So process will going to be a stop. LCM will be multiplication of all these numbers. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5, which is equals to 120. Hence, write down the final answer. LCM of 6, 8 and 10 is 120. Question number 3, 18 and 32. Let us make the arrangement. So here we have the arrangement. Now both the numbers can be divided by 2. 2 9s are 18. If we divide 32 by 2, we get 60. Now here 9 and 16 cannot divide by the same number. So we have to stop the process. So the LCM we get is equals to 2 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 60, which is equals to 288. So write down the final answer. LCM of 18 and 32 is 288. Fourth example is 10, 15 and 20. So let us make the arrangement. 10, 15 and 20. Now if I observed it carefully, all these three numbers can be divided by 5, which is the smallest number. But here we have to start with always smallest prime number. So यहाँ पे at least two numbers should be divided by the smallest prime number, and here 10 and 20 are divided by the 2, which is the smallest prime number. So here we have to divide by 2 only and not 5. Okay, so if I divide 10 by 2, we get 5, here we get 15 and here we get 10. Now next, all three numbers can be divided by 5. So here we get 1, here we get 3 and here we get 2. Now next, 1, 3, 2 cannot divide by the any number. That means we get the LCM, which is equals to 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2, and which is equals to 60. Hence, write down the final answer. LCM of 10, 15 and 20 is 60. Here we get the final answer. Question number 5, 45 and 86. Now students, if you observe both the numbers very carefully, both the numbers cannot divide by any number instead of 1. सिर्फ 1 से ही दोनों numbers divide होते हैं. That means what? They have only 1 as the common divisor. That means what? these are the co-primes number, है ना. So here we get 45 and 86 are co-prime numbers. So that means 1 is the only common divisor, है ना. So in that case 40 LCM of 45 and 86, which is going to be multiplication of the given numbers only. That means what? If the given numbers are co-prime numbers, in that case, to find out the LCM, we just have to multiply the given numbers, that is 45 into 86, which gives me the answer 3870. Hence LCM of 45 and 86 is 3870. Sixth example, 15, 30 and 90. So let us make the arrangement 15, 30 and 90. So here always we have to start with the smallest prime number, which is going to divide at least two numbers. So if I observed it carefully, again all these three numbers, तीनों भी numbers can be divided by 5, but we cannot use 5. Why? Because यहाँ पे 30 and 90 both the numbers can be divided by 2. So according to the rules, at least two numbers are divided by smallest prime number, that is 2. So यहाँ पे हम लोग को 2 लिखना होगा. 15 will be as it is. 30 को divide करने पे we get 15 and here we get 45. Now given numbers, जो numbers यहाँ पे मिले हैं 15, 15 and 45 can be divided by 3. So here we get 5, here we get 5 and here we get 15. Now these three numbers can be divided by 5. So we get 5 ones are 5, again we get 1 and again we get 3. Okay. So now next 1, 1, 3 cannot further divide. So the LCM is equals to 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5 multiply by 3, and which is equals to 90. So the LCM of 15, 30 and 90 is 90. Okay. If you want to verify the answer, whether the given answer is right or wrong, so आप लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? Here what three numbers I have? 15, 30 and 90. And what is the full form of the LCM? Least common multiple. That means whatever we have the multiples of the given numbers, उसमें का जो कुछ भी common है and common में भी जो list है, that will be the LCM. So the multiples of the 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90 and so on. 30k multiples will be 30, 60, 90, 120 and so on. And 90k multiples will be 90, 180, 270 and so on. So if I observed all the multiples of the given numbers, 90 is the common and this is the least multiple. So 90 will be the LCM of the given numbers. मतलब यहाँ पे जो हम लोग को आंसर मिला है वो करेक्ट है. Question number 7. 105 and 195. Let us make the arrangement 105 and 195. Now both numbers can be divided by 3. यहाँ पे we can use divisibility test. 5 plus 1 is 6, which is divisible by 3. That means this given number is divisible by 3. Next इसमें अगर मैं observe करूँ 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 is divisible by 3, so 195 is divisible by 3. So after dividing 105 by 3, we get the answer 35. Here we get the answer 65. Next, 35 and 65 can be divided by 5. So we get 7 and 13. Next, 7 and 13 cannot divide by the same number, same prime number. So we get the LCM, that is 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 13, which is equals to 1365. Next, question number 8. 12, 15 and 45. Let us make the arrangement 12, 15 and 45. Now all these numbers can be divided by 3. So we get 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. यहाँ पे we get 15. Now all these numbers cannot divide by the same prime number. But अगर यहाँ पे given 3 numbers अगर divide नहीं हो रहे same number से, so we can divide any 2 number by the same number. At least 2 numbers should be divided by the same prime number. So here 5 and 15 can be divided by 5. So we can divide it. 4 will be as it is. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Now next 4, 1, 3 cannot divide by the same number, and also at least 2 numbers are there. These numbers are also not divided by the same prime number. So we get the LCM, which is equals to 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 180. So the LCM of 12, 15 and 45 is 180. Next question, 63 and 81. Let us make the arrangement 63, 81. Now both numbers can be divided by 3, which is the smallest prime number. After dividing 63 by 3, we get 21. यहाँ पे 81 को 3 से डिवाइड करने के बाद we get the answer 27. Next, 21 and 27, both the numbers can be divided by 3. So we get 7 over here and we get 9. Next, 7 and 9 cannot divide by the same prime number. So we have to stop the process. So the LCM we get 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 9, which is equals to 567. So the LCM of 63 and 81 is 567. This is the final answer. Next, last example, 18, 36 and 27. Let us make the arrangement 18, 36 and 27. Now given these 3 numbers can be divided by 3. So we will divide it by 3. We get 3 6 are 18. Here we get 12 and here we get 9. Again, given these numbers can be divided by 3. See, here we get 2, here we get 4 and here we get 3. Now next, the remaining numbers are 2, 4 and 3. All these 3 numbers cannot divide by the same prime number, but there are 2 numbers which is going to divide by the same prime number, that is 2 and 4. So we can take 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 3 will be as it is. Next, 1, 2, 3 cannot divide by the same prime number, so we have to stop the process. So we get the answer LCM is equals to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Multiply by 1 लिखा तो भी आंसर वही मिलने वाला है, so doesn't matter. And multiplication we get 108. Hence LCM of 18, 36 and 27 is 108. This is the final answer. Question number 2. We have given some number of pairs and we have to verify the property. Which one property? Product of given numbers is equals to its LCM multiply HCF. ये प्रॉपर्टी हम लोग को वेरीफाई करना है. सो वी हैव द फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल 32 and 37. Now if I observed carefully, 32 and 37 are the co-prime numbers. Why? Because only one is the common divisor. So since 32 and 37 are co-prime numbers, so in that case HCF will be 1. Always remember, if the given numbers are co-prime, HCF will be 1 and LCM will be multiplication of the given numbers. LCM will be multiplication of the given number, which is equals to 1184. Let us find out the product of given numbers. Product of given numbers, which is equals to 32 multiplied by 37, which is equals to 1184. Give your equation number 1. Next, find out the multiplication of LCM and HCF, which is equals to 32 multiplied by 37. Again, it is equals to 1184. Give here equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, what you get? Property verified. So from 1 and 2, we get that product of given numbers is equal to HCF into LCM, and hence property verified. Okay, now let us take another example, that is second one, 46 and 51. Again, 46 and 51 are co-prime numbers, so we have to do same as the above. Third one example, we have 15 and 60. So let us find out LCM and HCF of the given numbers. Now both the numbers can be divided by smallest prime number, that is 3. Since both numbers can be divided by 5, but we want smallest prime number, so here we take 3. 3 5s are 15, here we get 20. Now 5 and 20 can be divided by 5, so we get 1 and we get 4. Next, 1 and 4 cannot be divided by same time number, so we have to stop the process. So the HCF is equals to 3 multiplied by 5, which is equals to 15. LCM is equals to 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4, which is equals to 60. So hence product of HCF and LCM is equals to 15 multiplied by 60, which is equals to 900. So give your equation number 1. Next, let us find out the product of given numbers. The given numbers are 15 and 60, so the multiplication will be again 900. So give your number 2. So from 1 and 2, what can you observe? From 1 and 2, we get that product of given numbers is equals to its HCF and LCM, and hence property verified. Question number 4. Question number 4 is 18 and 63. Let us make the arrangement 18, 63. Both the numbers can be divided by 3. 3 6 are 18, and here we have 21. Again 6 and 21 can be divided by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. Now next 2 and 7 cannot divide by same prime number. So we get here LCM is equals to 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 2 multiply by 7, which is equals to 126. HCF is equals to 3 multiply by 3, which is equals to 9. Multiplication of these two numbers. So the LCM into HCF is equals to 126 multiplied by 9, which is equals to 1134. If you want, you can make this multiplication over here or on the rough page and you can verify. Give here number 1. Product of given numbers. Product of given numbers is equals to 18 multiplied by 63, which is equals to 1134. So here we have equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, what can you observe? Multiplication is equals to the LCM into HCM. So from 1 and 2, product of given numbers is equal to LCM into HCF, and hence property verified. Let us take last example, that is 78 and 104. 78 and 104, both the numbers can be divided by 2. So 78 को अगर 2 से डिवाइड किए, we get 2 3s are 6, remainder 1, 8 comes down, 2 9s are 18, remainder we get 0. So मतलब मुझे यहाँ पे मिला 39. If I divide 104 by 2, we get 52. Now next 39 and 52 can be divided by smallest prime number, which is 13. So here we get 3 and here we get 4. So hence LCM is equals to 2 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4, which is equals to 312. And multiplication of, that is HCF, is equals to 2 into 13 is equals to 26. So hence LCM is equals to HCF is equals to 312 into 26, that is 8102. Give your number 1. Next, product of given numbers, that is 78 multiplied by 104, which is equals to 8112. Give your number 2. So from 1 and 2, we get that product of given numbers is equal to its LCM multiply HCF. Here we verified the property. I hope you understand all the examples, and if you like my video, share to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.